everyone, welcome to my channel The Purple Box. At The Purple Box, we make very easy and simple dishes which can be easily done at home like this, Palak Paneer. So for Palak Paneer, of course we need palak or spinach fresh from the market. We will make a paste of it. I'll show you how to do it later. Some tomatoes, I have used green tomatoes, again paste of green tomatoes. Some paneer cut into small pieces. Don't have to write the ingredients right now, I will give you a list later. Some garlics which are sliced, then some ginger, these are grated, green chilies, some jeera powder, dhania powder and some salt, some kasuri methi, dried methi leaves and finally some ghee. Now let's get started. Boil some water in a pan and put the spinach leaves, the palak leaves. Don't boil them, just blanch them properly. Reposition the leaves so that they cook equally. After around 2 minutes in the boiled water, take ice water and take out the leaves and put them in the bowl of ice water. This helps to retain the green color of palak. Just keep changing the position so that the heat comes out from the leaves. Now chop them into small pieces so that we don't get the long fibers in the paste. And finally, we need the paste, so paste it. Now let's go cooking. Take some oil, heat it in a pan and then take the garlics, the chopped garlics and the grated ginger and then cook it for a minute. Subscribe to our channel The Purple Box. After 1 minute, add the tomato paste and cook it for some time. Add some salt. Don't forget to like this video. Press the thumbs up button below there. Add jeera and dhania powder and then mix everything well. Add the chopped green chilies. Again mix it well. You'll find a bit of oil coming out from this gravy. Then the masala is well cooked. So this is time for the lovely green palak paste. Add it and mix everything very nicely, uniformly. Keep the flame low at this point. Add some water. So what you do, you clean the bowl and pour this water. Then you add the paneer. In between, I have shallow fried the paneer and soaked it in water for 15 minutes. Now add this shallow fried paneer and mix well with the palak. You don't cook for long after you give the palak. See, the color is so rich and it's gradually cooking. After around 3 to 4 minutes, take off the lid and see it's almost done. So now add the kasuri methi from the top and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now our palak paneer is almost ready. Mix it all well together. Cover it for just 1 minute. Don't keep it long because the palak will lose its color then. As promised earlier, I'm giving you a list of the ingredients with the quantity. You take a screenshot of this so that you can refer to it later or can share it with your loved ones in future. Now I have put off the heat. Just mix it once and it's ready. Take it in the serving bowl and from the top you can add a bit of ghee to it. I have used quite a quantity of ghee because I love it like that. Decorate it with some green chilies and it's ready to go to the plates. You can have it with roti paratha or even rice. Let me go and have it with my friends today. Do make it at home and in the comment section write anything that you want to discuss with me. Till then, take care. Bye.